Hey, welcome. Let me start by asking, have you ever struggled to turn website traffic into actual leads? Do you feel overwhelmed by managing follow-ups and qualifying prospects? What if artificial intelligence could automate the entire process for you? Today we're diving into a review of AI Lead Automator sales. Think of it as a system designed to help businesses capture, engage, and convert leads using AI-powered workflows without manual follow-ups or missed opportunities. This tool promises to simplify lead generation by automating lead capture and sending follow-up messages that adapt based on how prospects respond. It claims to handle email outreach, chat engagement, and responses so you don't have to chase each contact by hand. You're shown how the system connects to your lead source, whether that's website pop-ups, forms, or messenger bots, and automatically segues into smart sequences. Messages change depending on behavior. If someone opens an email but doesn't respond, it sends a new angle automatically. If a lead engages, it routes them down a different path. And it does this around the clock. Inside the presentation, you see examples of how a flow might look, how follow-up happens over days, and how responses trigger new messages. It emphasizes that you don't need to write every message yourself. AI generates tailored replies based on the context, so your prospects feel heard and engaged. What's compelling is the promise to track every lead's journey and make decisions dynamically. Instead of bouncing between tools, you can view your pipeline, see which messages get responses, and optimize without lifting a finger. You're guided through setting up basic automations, even if you're not tech-savvy. The system claims to integrate with CRMs, email providers, and chat platforms, so it's all in one.
Now, I haven't tested this tool or seen others use it. This review is strictly based on what the product claims through its presentation and structure. But from the description, AI Lead Automator Sales seems built for busy entrepreneurs or small businesses that want to scale outreach without hiring staff. If this sounds like something you'd explore, the official website and discount link are in the description below. Hit that link to review everything in detail.